Hello my dear children. Children, take out your literacy skills book and come to page number 149. More to write. Look at these pictures. Write a sentence about each picture. Use the words in the box. Now look here. In the box you can see words are given. Monkey, school, tree, boy, sitting, running, girl, big ship. Now see the first example. A monkey is sitting on a tree. Can you see the monkey, children? Yes, a monkey is sitting on a tree. See the next picture. In this picture, we can see that the girl is going to school. Full stop. The girl is going to school. See the next picture. In this picture, we can see that the boy is running. Full stop. The boy is running. In this picture, we can see a big ship. So let's make a sentence. It is a big ship. It is a big ship.